Dear colleagues in the field of electrical installation and maintenance works, I think it is high time we discuss a very important aspect of electrical installation known as cable management. What did I call it? Cable management. By cable management, I mean ability to manage our cable in such a way that cables are properly arranged and routed along the shortest possible path from the point of connection to their various destinations. When cables are properly managed in an electrical installation, it has 1,001 advantages. What are those advantages? Number one, it reduces the cost of installation. Number two, it makes an electrical installation to appear very neat and presentable. Number three, it adds to the aesthetics of the building structure where the electrical installation is carried out. If cables are properly managed, I mean in terms of arrangement, in terms of routing, in terms of clipping, in terms of the way cables are packed and even terminated, it adds to the beauty, the aesthetics value of such a structure. Not only that, if an electrician carries out an electrical installation in his distribution board, just like the one you are seeing on your screen, he does not pack the cable properly, sort out cables according to their colors or according to their polarities or according to their route, it is going to make such a distribution board to be very busy. When your distribution board appears very busy in terms of cable congestion, it makes the temperature within the distribution board compartments to rise and therefore increases the ambient temperature. That is the temperature surrounding the cables in the distribution board. So it is the sole responsibility of a trained electrician. You know, I use the word trained electricians. Not all electricians are trained. Some electricians are just gate crashers. They saw other people doing the electrical work. They just observed them for just a very short period of time, and they also start carrying out the installation. They do not actually learn the nitty-gritties, the rudiments, the rules and regulations guiding the proper electrical installation works is not properly learned by them. So that is why I call those people I'm talking to, those people that this video is meant for, I call them trained electricians. Electricians who know the do's and the don'ts of electrical installation. That always ensure that your cables are properly managed. If cables are traveling in bunch, try to pack them, sort them out according to their route, according to their polarities, according to their colors. After doing this, you can bunch them together using cable ties. If they are to travel together and in bulk, you can arrange them sequentially in your cable trays. You can also use your cable trunk, to actually channel your cable. In case the kind of cable you are dealing with is an armor cable, you can try and get a duct for your armor cable in order to route your cable to its destination. It's still part of cable management. What I mean by ducts, there are different types of ducts. Ducts refer to the passage created for cables underground in order to route the cables, especially the armor cables, from one point to another. So you will have concrete underfloor ducts, we have steel underfloor ducts. In most of the industries where machines are installed at different intervals within the same hall or within the same warehouse or within the same factory, it is advisable to route our cable through what I call ducts. You can make a concrete underfloor duct, just create a passage underfloor with cover slabs that will enable you to route your cable from the panel room to each of the machines where the cable terminates. So it is part of proper cable management. It is wrong for you to hang your cable on the wall, dangling, or to litter the floor with cables without properly managing them. So everything boils down to cable management. Whatever worth doing well. The electrical installation is not yet complete until the cable is properly managed. I cannot pay an electrician who doesn't manage his cables. Neatness, professionalism starts from your ability to manage your cable, because the quality, the end product of the job delivered means the professional expertise of the electrician that carries out the job. So I'm going to stop here for today. Let us ensure that our cables are properly managed. Cable management is instrumental to an efficient electrical installation delivery. I'm going to see you in the next video. I'm your one and only Engineer Oxford.